app.vue. So we're going to start building our page here. So we need to set up the layout and navigation component, sidebar, and then our router view will display this according to the route that you click. So that's very simple. So we're still getting the errors, so you know what, I just thought let's just fix it. So instead of single view, use double code, and then we can delete this one. So we use double code. Here we use double codes. Alright, so we can save it. Oh, right from the error. Alright, you know what, I'll just leave it. So we go to app.js, and then where was our router? Okay, this is our router. So we open our router and then we split it to the right. So now we are going to set up our router and all those stuffs. So we go close this. So this is our app. So our app is what renders, okay, what renders the whole view application. So here should talk to our router app on what page to view. Okay, so we're going to delete everything here, and we're just going to say router view. You know what, you can just do self closing. Yeah, router view. So we go to our router, and then let's take out some things. So if you have watched my previous videos, I explained this over and over and over again. Anytime I'm building a new view application, so anytime the person goes to home, when the person goes to the home route, we need to run a page needs to load. Okay, so we need to link it with a component. Okay, so anytime someone goes to home, you redirect that link to dashboard, to the dashboard. Okay, because we are building a CMS. The home is not like you're not building a website, this is CMS, so the home is a dashboard. So redirect to dashboard, and then the components we are going to load is main. I'll explain why. It's main, and then we just put this here, dashboard. And then so this component has children. That means that the dash inside the dashboard, it has other routes in it. So when I go to, so let's assume when you go, this assume this is our home page. So we go to our home page, it's going to load this dashboard component. Okay, and this dashboard is found in the main. So the main is going to render, the main component is going to render this dashboard. I hope you get it. Okay, so that will be part of the children. It's an array, and then an array of objects, and then we have the path. So the path is going to be the dashboard, and the name is going to be dashboard, and then the component that is going to render this dashboard is called dashboard. Okay, so that is it. So let me explain here. So anytime someone goes to the home route, this component is going to render, and then when this component render, automatically this component is going to render, but then the route will be redirected to dashboard. Okay, and this component here, we are going to build it in a way that it's going to set up this whole thing. This main is going to give us the sidebar, the navigation bar, and this whole thing. And then whilst this component is set, it redirects us to the dashboard, which will render this page to us. So I think it makes sense, right? So we're going to save it, and let's import the stuff. So main form, we're going to create containers. I like to put it in containers because it's not a page, and it's not like a component. It's like the main aspect of the page. So I'm going to say containers. and I'm going to call this main.view. So we have it here. I'll just copy it here, and this main.view can template and then have a div. You know, the basic stuff that you need. Script name, it's name, and we just put, let's put I don't know, so we know something has rendered to the page. Okay, so we come here, main is in what, so we are in we go out of here, so simple, let's use the at, so we use at slash containers slash main.view. You can also do just main. Okay, so main is done, so dashboard, so we need to create a dashboard also. Okay, so okay, let's just create it, so I'll show you dashboard form. So dashboard will be it will be part of the view because it's a view, it's a page. Okay, so go to home, so let's just edit home as dashboard. So I'm going to rename this to dashboard.view, and we're just going to keep the view, the logo there, so you know we are on dashboard. Check this out. We don't need this. So dashboard is done. Alright, so dashboard is at views, so we go to at, so at is just getting right into the source folder, and we can go to views slash dashboard.view and see the same spelling, no spelling mistakes. Alright, so we save it, and one problem, what's the problem? So dashboard.view says what? Oh, this, sure. One problem, what? Dashboard.view deleted. Oh, I just hit picture. Let's just leave it. Okay, so that is it. So we're gonna save our router view. Our main is main. So in here now, our main needs to render that. So when you go here, it's going to open our main, and our main needs to be this, right? This whole thing. So this is main. So main is running. So for dashboard to run, main needs to tell router that we are using router.view so that it will render its children. Okay, so if main has any router.view, it's going to show this the children of this main. All right, so if there's any router.view, so supposing I put router.view here, so dashboard is going to render there. When I come here, you see, so dashboard has rendered here. So I hope you're getting the whole logic. So when the page runs, main is going to run, the main component is going to run, and the main component is going to tell the page that, hey, I have other pages in me, I have other pages that needs to be shown, and the other pages will be determined by the children that you put here. Simple as that. So that is it. So that means that, so how do you tell? So supposing we have another child here, how do you tell the main to render either this or this? That's when the redirect comes in. So when the page runs, redirect to dashboard, I mean show the first child or show whatever child I redirect to first before any other one that is in the page. Alright, so that is the whole logic. Okay, so that is done. So that means I think the video is getting too long, so I'm going to end it here. And our next video, we're going to start creating our main.js and route it to the page and do all